Welcome to Driving with Christian. I am Christian Evans. In today's video, I will be talking about upfront pricing and how it affects us, the drivers. Stay tuned. Thank you for clicking on today's video. If you haven't done it already, please subscribe to my channel and please hit the notification button in the bottom right hand corner. That way you will be notified every time I upload a new video. So I opened my YouTube app earlier today and I seen the Apptrepreneur post a video in regards to upfront pricing in regards to Lyft. Something about Lyft was being sued because of upfront pricing. I don't drive for Lyft, I drive for Uber. But with that being said, I have some questions that hopefully you guys can answer about upfront pricing. And just something that I've been thinking about. I may be a little bit paranoid, but hopefully it makes sense to you. So just follow me. Okay, so upfront pricing, right? The passenger opens the rider app, obviously, and they order a ride, right? Let's say, from point A to point B is $8, right? So that's the upfront pricing that Uber gives the passenger, right? Or the ones that they show them. So what happens when Uber dispatches me, the driver, and let's say I am 15 minutes away? Now, with that being said, we get the long distance pickup fee, 10 minutes or more. So does that price change, or is that automatically in their upfront pricing? And if or since that is in their upfront pricing, does Uber automatically know when a passenger is searching for a driver that they're automatically going to pick somebody far away? That way they can maybe add on to the price after the ride is complete. Now, with that being said, is that truly upfront pricing or is it not? It's just a question that I have. Maybe you guys can understand this a little bit better than I can. Maybe you guys can just tell me about upfront pricing, and if you understand what I'm saying, it doesn't make sense a lot of times to when you're sitting somewhere and you could possibly get to somebody that could be 4 minutes away, 5 minutes away, 6 minutes away, right? And that upfront pricing may be legit. It may cost them, let's say, $5 to get from point A to point B, depending on where their point B is at, right? Because they're not being charged a long distance fee. Now, what happens when you get called to pick up somebody, 15 minutes outside of, far as for where you're at? Is that long distance fee attached to the passenger's final price? And that final price, since we're doing upfront pricing, is that included in there? And to me, it just solidifies what I believe in, is that Uber automatically knows who they're going to pick out depending on each ride, no matter where you are in the city or where you drive at. It's just kind of one of them things that I've been noticing a lot lately. So just make sure you check in your long distance fees. And personally, what I would do is, after a ride or by the time you're done with your shift or driving, is go back to some of your long distance pickups if you are the one who picks up people from long distances, and just compare the price and just see. Then again, you probably can't get the full price of it, because if you have to probably complete or actually order the Uber, and then you might have to cancel, but you probably don't want to be doing that. It's just something I've been thinking about. How does Uber really know who to pick and why to pick them? And are those prices reflected in upfront pricing? And if so, then they automatically know if they're going to ping somebody 5 minutes away or 15 minutes away, as far as drivers goes. So thank you for watching this video. I appreciate your time. Remember, please subscribe, have fun, get your money. It's getting hot outside, so make sure your AC is running. Peace out.